Most of the business ideas mentioned in this video are completely home-based and typically do not require much capital to start. The trick will be finding your customer, keeping them and making them happy with your services, enough to justify the kind of price you would ask. That being said, here are the simple business models that you can consider. Number 1, sell your craft online. There are some of the online platforms such as Shopify and Etsy that allows you to sell absolutely anything that you want online. If you are someone that are very good at creating something like sweater, clothes and artwork, you can host them on Etsy and advertise them for people to buy online. On Shopify, you can build a digital storefront where you can sell a wide variety of things. The idea is to find something that people love buying online and find where those people hang out online and redirect the traffic to your digital store. It takes a bit of work, but it is worthwhile. Some of the things that you need to do to succeed in this business model include: number 1, create high quality products. Number 2, create high quality content to hook the traffic to your store. Number 3, deliver on your sale to get reviews. Number 4, you need to repeat and scale up your business as you see it. Number 2, start a blog. Technically speaking, over 1,000 websites are created every single minute and hosted online. While that might seem like a huge number, the truth of the matter is most of these websites do not offer the kind of value that the readers like or want to be associated with. Only a handful of blogs online today give readers a kind of evergreen content that keep bringing the readers to the content that bind them to the blog and make them a lifelong readers and customers. This opens potential business opportunity for those people that have passion for writing. Starting a blog and monetizing it is one of the best ways to make a living online because the earning potential here is immense. Here is the list of some of the highest earning blogs online. Number 1, Gizmodo earns $325,000 per month. Perez Hilton earns $575,000 per month. Copyblogger earns $1 million per month. Bigger, more popular blogs like Huffington Post earn up to like $14 million per month. This sounds crazy. The point here is that starting a blog is one of the lucrative business that you can consider. You will need to set yourself apart if you want to succeed in this side also. And some of the things that you can do include: create an attractive and easy to navigate website to begin with, publishing evergreen, current and relevant content, finding a niche that has a lot of traffic, using the right keyword that will help to drive traffic to your website, monetizing the blog through avenues such as Google AdSense and selling your products on it, finding ways to engage and grow your audience. Yes, it is a tasking work to start, but once you start going and start making some money, the growth can be exponential. It could take years for your blog to become profitable, but with consistency and high quality content, it will surely be profitable. Number 3, get into affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon and eBay make their money online? Yes, they sell things, but how do they get their traffic? They use affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing is promoting companies by adding a link to their products and services on your website or your social media pages, so whenever your readers or your followers click on that link and make a purchase in that company through your link, you are going to get a commission. It is very much like a digital salesman, only you do not have to get horrid body aches or pain as you move from door to door. Imagine the kind of potential for income this business has. E-commerce companies like Amazon offer up to 10% commission on every item purchased using your link. Other platforms and vendors offer higher commissions, some even going as high as 50% to 60% or more. Imagine you sell a bag of $100. You're going to get 50% of that. That is $50. That is how amazing affiliate marketing is. It is estimated that the affiliate marketing industry will grow to around $6.8 billion in the next half decade. There is a lot of money to be made there, and all you have to do is to find a way to redirect the traffic. Some of the most successful affiliate marketing websites include platforms like This Is Why I Am Broke, which make around $50,000 worth of commission every single month. The good thing about this site also is that starting a blog isn't that expensive. You can achieve this with platforms like Wix, which allow you to build websites for free and very quickly. Of course, if you want to go professional, which is advisable, you need to pay content creators and designers, which will increase your overhead expenditure a bit. All in all, you can start a blogging business today and get well underway to make money passively in the future. Number 4, become an SEO expert. As an SEO expert, search engine optimization, your primary job will be to help websites rank higher on search engine result pages, SERPs, on Google. SEO, like search engine optimization, is one of the most critical factors that affects website traffic. To repeat how important this is, studies have shown that falling below position 5 on Google page first remove 75% of the potential traffic that your website might have got. Being the number one link on Google first page, give your website majority of the potential traffic directed towards your specific keywords on Google. That is millions of potential click loss just because websites have not hired SEO experts. That is where your service will be rendered as an SEO expert. Number 5, invest in real estate and house flipping. Investing in real estate has become a wide popular pursuit for millions of people across the globe, across the nation. The semi-rent housing crisis of 2008 resulted in innumerable properties for sale at a lower cost. Small business entrepreneurs and plethora of savvy individuals, well-informed individuals, snap up these low-cost properties and effortlessly flip them for a sizable profit. While the national housing crisis has been over for some years now, real estate investing still remains prevalent as it has been in the past years. If you have the cash flow to invest in low-priced properties that may need little work, you can easily flip the homes to make some handsome profits on your investments. If you have gained any value from this video so far, please do well to subscribe now and click the notification bell for more videos. And give this video a thumbs up because it gives me motivation to keep bringing you quality content on this channel. And don't forget to comment below, share the video to reach more likes. God bless you.